Welcome back everyone. The today recipe I'm gonna show you the one of the best recipe of the Himachal cuisine. Which is called is bedua. Yeah, you can say it's kachori for in Hindi language. Basically the bedua is a fried stuffed bread of Himachali dish. Let's start. I will show you the ingredients which are required of making the bedua. But the bedua you can do the two type of stuffing. The one is with boiled potato, the boiled mashed potato, and the second one is you can use in black lentil. You can say in Hindi is a urd dal, duli urds. The today I will show you with boiled potato. Let's start. I will show you the ingredients. Already boiled the potato. And after that we can remove the outer skin of the potato. And I already prepare the dough with the helping of wheat flour and water and little bit of salt. And for stuffing we required chopped ginger, chopped garlic, fine chopped onion, fine chopped green chili. So guys, most of people for the like for green chili, so you can also a large quantity of chili, but I like it little bit, so I can use enough for this chili. So that's why I'm saying you can also use for red chili powder. You can use red chili flakes, turmeric powder, garam masala. You can say is kitchen king for adding for enhance the flavor of this dish. And this one is a carom seeds. You can say is ajwain. The last is roasted cumin seeds like jeera. And the last is most important ingredients is salt. So you know very well without salt we cannot enhance the flavor of the dishes. So this is salt. And the last we can add hing. I prefer and advise for you can use in MDH. So that is a very good quality of asafoetida like hing. And for deep frying, I already preheat the oils in a wok. Already preheat the oil. So let's start. I will show you the stuffing mixture. So first we will mash the potato with the helping of masher. So we will mash the potato with the helping of potato masher. Make sure to note lumps inside of the potato. In lumps free use for. So make sure guys you can properly mash the potato with the helping of potato masher, and you can avoid the lumps. So now you can see now the potato is proper mashed. So now the timing is adding for the rest of ingredients. So now we can add onion, so as per the taste. And the next one we can add chopped garlic. You can also use mashed garlic, but in today's recipe you can use chopped garlic. And the rest we can use chopped ginger. You can say adrak. You can use a 40 and 70 ratio, the 40 gram of garlic and the 40 gram of ginger, and the rest we can use green chili. Already saying that guys, if you want more likes you can use more chili, but I like it a little bit, so I can use enough. And the rest is we can use chili flakes. You can use also powder chili. You can use little bits because I do not like much chili. And the rest we can use turmeric powder a little bit of turmeric powder. Then we can add roasted cumin seeds like jeera. I already roast the jeera. I like it jeera, guys. By adding jeera, you can enhance the value of these breads. Next one is carom seeds like ajwain, a little bit of ajwain. And the last is we can use kitchen king, yeah, garam masala. And the last we can add salt. That is the king of spices. I already saying that, guys. Without salt, you can not take the flavor of any kind of food, whatever you want to, and mix. Now mix well with the helping of spoon. So this is the stuffing mixture, guys. Make sure you continuously mix well with the helping of spoon, and your whole stuffing mix will get in your boiled potato, so that the whole flavor get well inside of the your breads like bedouin. Now you can see now our bedouin stuffing is ready. So now, guys, I will make a small bowl from the dough. Already sharing the recipe of the dough. You can make a simple dough with the helping of wheat flour, water and a little bit of salt. You can add. So we can just dusting with the helping of flour, and you can do like this. And also more dusting. Now we can put a little bit of stuffing in this mixture like this, and you can see, guys, how can we stuff for this stuffing of this roll. You can see the technique, and the rest of dough we can remove, and we can again roll it. So now our stuffing get well inside of this dough. So now you can see now you can see now the timing is of deep frying. So already preheat the oil. So guys, the first you can heat the oil approximately is 183 degrees Celsius. So when the oil is a proper hot, approximately is 183 degrees Celsius, so then you keep your bedouin like breads into the hot oil and you can deep fry. If you fry in a high flame, so your bedouin, your bread is cooked outside, not inside. So make sure first you heat the oil approximately is 183 degrees Celsius, then you keep the gas flame slow and you can add into bedouin into the hot oil, so that your bedouin will cook inside so outside. So now I can check my oils is hot or not. I just check. So now guys, our oil is getting a hot. So now keep the gas flame is slow and we can add bedouin like Himachali breads into the oil, so that our breads completely cook in a very large amount of oil. Make sure your gas flame is slow, guys. If your gas flame is high, so definitely your bedouin is cooked outside, not inside. So we will cook till when the color is a light brown. So now we will turn the bedua with the helping of perforated spoon, and we will cook from the another side. You can see the one side is color is a light brown. Now we can cook the another sides. So when the color is both side is a brown color, so we can remove the bedua into the hot oil and keep on the another sides. So now our bedua is ready. So now we will put the bedua in a separate plates. Now for the another one. So now we will do the same process. So guys, you can see the after deep frying of the bedua, you can see the look likes of the bedua. So now I will show you the plating of the bedua. So now for plating. So we can serve along with curds. Some people is eating with milk, and some people is like with clarified butter like desi ghee, as your choice guys. Whatever you want to eat for the bedua. You can see guys how it look like of the bedua. You can serve along with milk or clarified butter. You can also use and curds. So I hope you well understood while watching this video the how you will make in the Himachali style of bedua, like the Indian breads, like the stuffing breads. So thank you so much guys.